Hi, I'm Amy Sissala, Stratasys Senior Application Engineer for Manufacturing Solutions. I'd like to show you the benefits of using FDM 3D printing technology for making CMM fixtures, and then briefly show you the key steps in designing them. A CMM, or coordinate measuring machine, is an essential part of the manufacturing quality process. It's used to monitor production quality on manufactured parts to ensure they meet design specs. One of the main elements of a CMM operation is the tooling used to hold the parts during the measurement process. In many cases, a combination of clamps, V-blocks, and surface plates are used to fixture the parts that have to be measured. The problem is that these tools have to be set up for every part being measured. It's sort of a one-size-fits-all scenario. Depending on the part's geometry, the fixturing is not always optimal and it takes time to set up and take down again. Custom machine fixtures can be made from tool steel, but they're very expensive, have long lead times, and can tie up your CNC machines that could otherwise be used for value-added production. And then the problem is compounded the more parts you have to inspect. A better way would be to 3D print them instead.